looks like a house cat.
Mamá huevo. Digo, glup, 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 glup.
Pump up the jam, pump it up while your feet are thumping. And the jam.
Boom, 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 and let me hear you say, well.
He's like laughing because we're all laughing with him back because she's saying
Tears falling down at the party.
This is supposed to be a punishment for you. Why is it a game?
Good morning, Starshine. The Earth.
My house, and I thought it was a bird.
Where is it?
The bottom line is we need to get a dog for protection. Like if someone tried to break into our house, I'd want to make sure that they were immediately terrified.
No!
Questo packaging fantastico per le Crazy Road. Sei un fratello, questo qua cade? Caduto, ok.
Let me tell you something. Let me tell you something. All right. Let me tell you something. Let me tell you something.
All I'm saying is don't give me attitude.
I prevented a murder today. Really? How? Self-control.
Lay down. Bronx, lay down. Lay down. Oh, okay, that's a good boy.
Putting his freaking claws on him.
Big night, let's my way, but the beat goes on and 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 on.
Hello. Hello.
into my